Tiny toes touch the golden ground, building castles where dreams are found. Gentle waves sing a lullaby near. Infants laugh without a care to fear. Little hands in the grains of time, echoes of joy in a salty rhyme. Dolphins dance to the children's call. Turtles glide, they've seen it all. Buckets spill with the tidal cheer. Shells and treasures held so dear. Splashing waves in a playful spree. Hearts set loose, as wild as the sea. Sky turns pink as the sun dips low. Dreams take back where the breezes blow. Every splash is a fleeting spark, lit on this canvas till it turns dark. Little hands